Email Marketing Revolution. Video number 4. Autoresponders and email apps every marketer should know. Let's look at some autoresponders and how can we use them. Also, let's find out 13 best email and newsletter apps every marketer should know. An autoresponder is a system that automatically sends a reply email when a specific trigger occurs, such as a content opting in to a list or sending an email to a specific address. For new leads, set up a system that sends them your email automatically when they fill out your Contact Us form, or send an email to your info@yourbusiness.com address. Make sure to include number 1, an introduction, number 2, a thank you, number 3, validation, number 4, information about what to expect next. Sales autoresponders. When you're automatically collecting leads online, it's important to fit your autoresponder message into your sales process. Here's a few out-of-the-box examples. Number 1, automate email follow-up after sales calls. Number 2, follow up with your audience via email after a speaking engagement. Number 3, follow up flawlessly after a networking event. For existing customers, you have an easy opportunity to upsell, cross-sell, or encourage referrals to make the most of it with autoresponders. Number 1, thank you emails. When someone buys your product, have your system send them a message to thank them. Number 2, support response. Make sure the customers who need help or have an issue receive a prompt response letting them know you're aware and you'll be contacting them. Number 3, appointment reminders. Automatically send your customers a confirmation when the appointment is booked, as well as a reminder email. 13 best email marketing and newsletter apps. Here are the best apps that send email newsletters. Active Campaign, Aweber, Benchmark Email, Campaign Monitor, Constant Contact, Email Direct, Fresh Mail, Get Response, iContact, MailChimp, Mailagen, MailJet, MailUp. Conclusion. Hopefully, this list has helped you find a few that look like they'll work for your business. Give them a try, then pick the one that ends up fitting your needs the best and start sending the email updates you've been waiting for. Thank you. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next video.